people, today we make
Nattō, yeah.
Nattō
So, as I mentioned in the last
video.
thank you, I've gotten into a lot of old habits, healthy habits, and one of them is Nattō. So,
Now
I said there were profound changes in my family, and one of them is that I'm not longer
alone for eating natto.
Exactly. Okay.
Now the natto is not so much smelly for me.
Yeah. So a lot of people shy away because they say natto smells like
I forgot what. Now
stinky feet.
I can't smell it anymore.
Okay, so natto smells like stinky feet. That's what many people say.
I used to say that.
So again,
So
there are
yummy.
millions of different types of natto, and I decided today to go for the little chopped one.
I like the little. Oh, the little top one.
And I'm gonna give, while I'm cooking, to my kids to stir it.
100
No. 66 times. 66 times. So
Only
don't ask me
66,
why.
right?
When I had natto the very first time about 23 years ago,
Whoa.
the mother of my Japanese friend said, you have to stir the natto before you add anything else 66 times. Well, call me ignorant. I have yet to check out why. I guess you have to activate it, make it really work. I don't know.
So it's only 66 times.
It's only 66
so you
times.
didn't like look up why did you do that yet?
But you have to really pull it long and make the threads.
So
Yeah?
it's much more easier to eat.
Yeah, and also it becomes very foamy.
Yeah.
So, however, you now quietly, this is your meditation.
And it's also really fun.
No talking. This is your meditation. You hold the bowl like this, and then quietly you start stirring until Mama tells you to stop.
Oh, okay.
And meanwhile, we are taking the pan again. And as in the other video, I'm using exactly the same ingredients. I just actually quickly went to change clothes, so when you look for the video, you can distinguish. So the one is the natto and the other one is the goya, the bitter melon one. Okay, let's start. And this one is a real quick one. This one is from my friend Loredana. And again, so natto is super healthy, and traditionally in the Japanese culture it is eaten in the morning for breakfast. So they eat rice and natto, and they have miso soup. Here in our house we like to eat it for lunch, or I like to eat it for dinner. Yeah.
I like it.
So-
Dinner or lunch.
Okay, keep on stirring. So again, you just take a little bit of
Oh my goodness, my arm is. It looks so
sesame
delicious.
oil, goya oil. Not goya oil. No, I lost my Japanese.
Oh no.
Sesame.
Okay.
God, I have a blank. Okay, I'm talking too many languages in 1 minute. Now, the
Yeah,
choice
I
of your vegetables is your choice. You can take okura, you can take paprikas, you can take mushrooms. No
The
sweet treated
avocado.
mushrooms. No, avocado you can't take. And I'm just mixing in today some
Off and then no.
carrots and some
Oh,
bamboo shoots.
natto's like
And just
spider web.
and just a little bit of bell pepper, just a tiny bit. What I do, however, gonna add today is a big clove of garlic. Goma. Now there it is. Goma. It is goma oil. Yeah, goma oil.
No, smells good.
Yeah. So that's
What did you put in there?
garlic.
Oh,
Garlic.
Yeah. The garlic smells good.
And then, so we want to boost our immune system. We want to stay strong and healthy. Just a little bit of shoga, a little bit ginger. Yeah. Ginger on top.
Oh my goodness, my arm is like.
Just a
and
little
I
bit.
just broke it.
Yeah, keep on stirring. This is your PE today.
No, we're not playing basketball.
Just kidding. And then any kind of soy sauce show you like. I like that one, and I like tamari. Just a little bit. Remember, I said this in the other video. Just go with a little bit, and you can always add more.
So you mean like this is like a double video, like natto plus?
That's a double video. So I made one in the other.
Wait, so now you're plusing to this? Okay, so Mama made a video about this, but you couldn't put it in.
Okay.
Oh no, that's
Is it 66 times?
I think it's more.
Okay, but you have to really make it long. You see this? Show the magic. So, like Spider-Man. Here, go ahead.
Help Nattō Man.
Okay, show me.
Nattō Man. Nattō Man.
Okay.
That looks so yummy.
Ooh la la. Okay, hold
it
that.
sounds even yummy.
Hold that. I'm gonna cover now and just leave my veggies just for a tiny bit, okay? Now,
I can't resist myself.
your natto pack generally is coming with a little bit of soy sauce.
Can I put it on?
Yeah, carefully please.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my chopsticks right.
I open it for you and then you can put it on, yeah?
Yeah.
Here. Slowly.
Is that mustard? Is it mustard?
Easy.
I'm
Slowly.
gonna always wonder.
Yeah, slowly. And then the next one is mustard.
Okay.
So these are the standards usually. They
I
come-
wanna take mustard. But I love mustard. I don't
You want
like
double?
mustards.
Double mustard?
I don't think so.
Or you didn't
Take
think
it
so?
spicy, kid.
Okay. So they're gonna stir this under now. Now, it is really, really important to remember when we make
Natto.
miso soup or when we add fermented foods, we do not want to boil them. So once the veggies are slightly
So you mix it?
cooked, yes, you can mix it. I'm going to add, there are 2 portions of rice. So in our house, we don't use Japanese rice. We use either basmati or jasmine Thai rice. So this is always on the cooker, it's always there. This is our staple. They eat sometimes bread, but bread is more or less a special
Only sometimes
treat.
white rice.
Only sometimes white rice. Yeah, when
Like if
you
you
know
go
when
to a
someone
restaurant.
offers, yeah, or when they go to a restaurant. So this recipe, and it puts a smile on my face. This recipe I made in the early 2000s. So when I moved back from Israel to Tokyo, I had a roommate, Mirabella, and Mirabella and I, we were always, you know, low in money. We didn't have much cash, but we always tried to eat healthy. So that dish was actually our staple. So they would almost 3 times a week before going to work, we would just fry the vegetables that are in the house, whatever it is. Can be on the onion, or it can be on the aubergine, like nasu.
Oh, last time can we try onion?
Yeah, we can,
I'm
you know,
really
whatever is in
thinking,
the house, you
guys,
just throw in there.
I'm really thinking what will happen if you put a strawberry in there.
I don't think that works. So I lost somewhere my long cooking sticks. Here they are.
Oh yeah, I use them.
And then you throw your 1 portion. So that's about a mini cup of rice in here. And you just stir it under. So for some people, they need a bit more, they need a little bit more of flavor. So you can add always show you soy sauce after. But this is really, this is a dish, when you live in Japan, you can get the most delicious mountain vegetables and add some good quality rice, and we could make it even prettier. You can add, from here, you can add some turmeric on top to boost it. So,
Smells good.
it smells good, doesn't
The
it?
natto smells are also good.
So basically,
Great question.
these veggies are half raw, yeah?
Can I
So you
ask
don't
you a
want to have them
question?
too. Yes,
No,
of course.
It used to smell like stinky food sauce. But why now when I eat it, it smells like heaven?
Because maybe something switched in your brain. You know, sometimes if you get an image, people say, oh, it stings, you immediately take it over and you think, oh, it stings. But that's why I'm saying you always have to try out foods.
It's like when I was in
Right?
Virgin, I ate it and I was like, Oh my goodness, it's so
Okay, I'm
sweet.
switching off the gas now. So basically the dish, back in the day, because we didn't have much space, I was basically cooking on the floor in my bungalow. Back in the day, I would immediately mix it under. Hey, you haven't done your mustard, yeah.
Kind of
So-
mustard.
Now, because I have a bit more space and everything is more cultivated, we will put that nice mixture of veggies and rice into their bowls.
Can you put tofu in there?
Tofu, yeah, I have some tofu left over from the previous dish. And maybe Ethan, could you please get the nori flakes and the goma shio, yeah?
Yeah.
The sesame salt up there, yeah.
I'm gonna put the chair.
So, as you can see, so this is your base. This is the rice and the veggies. And then we have from our last dish that I cooked, that tofu mixture that we're gonna set on one side. Yeah, and this is yum. Super yummy.
That cheese? It's here, right?
No, it looks like cheese, but it's not cheese. No,
Looks
it's
like
standing there, right in front of you.
Oh.
And then
So goma and
goma and nori. And then I like to present, I did this 3 weeks ago. I even added a little video, my shiso leaves. And the shiso leaves not only make it taste better,
and also
careful, it make it
look better.
look beautiful.
And
And
then
that recipe is on page 103, shiso leaves.
103.
And for this one, you ideally need a dehydrator, but if you don't have a dehydrator, you can use your oven. You just leave the oven on the lowest temperature, a little bit open, and you dry the leaves there. So these are shiso leaves, can be eaten as a snack.
This bottle reminds me like so
And
you
then-
know when they get like some messages from the sea. They
Yeah.
just put it off.
Oh, the message in the bottle.
Like
Yes.
these ones.
Okay.
That one.
And then we add the natto here,
The back end. Oh, with
and
oh,
Ethan's natto
wait,
here.
scissors.
And then you can top it.
Ooh la la, that looks yummy.
Then you can top it with goma shiro.
And
So
sprinkle
this
it
is
on it.
sesame salt. It's a mixture, and it just gives a little kick. And remember, when we cook Japanese food or when we prepare Japanese food, it is
Oh,
just
no, it's not so
just
good.
a hint of everything. It's
Like
just a little
every
bit.
food has, every cake has a hint of sugar.
And everything has. You know what? Actually, I did not add any sugar on purpose because, I don't think we need that. So, one thing is set
This looks like
here.
colorful.
So you can add a little bit of shoyu, soy sauce if you like, and you can also add on the side on your rice a little bit of lime.
Can you also add salad? Somewhere? Like
Yeah, and then
like here.
It comes with a green salad
And then you can
anyways,
put
yeah?
it here.
Okay. So we
Or
say
maybe a flower.
itadakimasu?
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Oh, why not? Oh, my choices.
Okay. Start eating, yeah? Okay. What do you think? Heiß? Is it hot? Yeah?
I love it.
Yeah?
I
Okay.
love it.
So we see you soon. Bye.
Mm. This is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's perfect. And it's so easy to make, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can cook now by yourself.
What, really? Not just yet.
Yeah?
Maybe not on the oven.
Not on the oven just yet. Okay, enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.